Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to one of my favourite little spots around Fairford. It's out the back end of Lake 104, so you come round the side and over one little bridge, and you get this rather nice bridge over the river. Just going to get a bit more light on my face without being dazzled. I suppose we're going to get. I don't think even the really hardcore Lake 104 dog walkers come here very much. I've very seldom ever bumped into anyone else on this bridge. It's really quite floody today, which, as you know, if you've watched any of my previous videos, I do like a bit of flooding. The river that you can hear running in the background, hear it? There you go. Do I need room tone? Who knows? Is actually one of the tributaries that eventually becomes the River Thames. So in a few days, the water you can hear going past the phone now will be going past the Houses of Parliament and also the town where I grew up. So, a bit of excitement, a bit of dog barking there in the background. So, I'm just going to be taking a few pictures around the bridge today and in the flooded field next to it and the river. So, as always, sit back and I hope you enjoy it. Well, setting up there for my first shot and taking it. It's quite a nice view down this little creek that disappears off into the undergrowth. I have shot it before in lots of other conditions, but I don't know, I found it particularly attractive today. I might try another one, only zooming back out a little bit. So I get slightly more of the foreground and there's quite a nice mossy log off to one side. So I'll do that one and then I'll put them both on the screen for you to look at. And well, I think the traditional phrase is tell me which one you prefer in the comments, but you can do that one. Okay? I shall lounge on the bridge at a rakish angle at this point. So, my first shot for that, and I'm quite low down if you look at the camera, had a polarising filter on the front because quite a lot of reflection coming off this water. And that does drop the shutter speed a bit. And I really want that kind of, you know, blurry water thing, hackneyed though it is. So, this next one that you'll see me take has pretty much all the ND on it I've got. It has a 2-stop ND filter put on second and a 4-stop ND filter put on first. Gives me a grand total of 6 stops of ND, and if that doesn't slow the water down, even on a bright day like this, I'll eat my garage bag. Garage bag? Gadget bag, I know what I mean. Okay, well, obviously there was no way I could actually record live audio of me squelching off down the Grimpen mire here. It was a little bit hairy underfoot, but it was really worth getting down there because I was sure there was a photo of the bridge. So I went down and I waded back. Yeah, fingers crossed there, and squelch away with the old tripod. I know this path quite well actually. I walked it a lot in the dry. Not that really helps when it's under 6 inches of water. And there's a lot of shot bracketing here because I really did not want to have several goes at it. But I got a shot which will appear on the screen once I get back from the bridge. Okay, well, you're gorilla podded to the same bit of bridge you were for the start screen for this bit. It's been quite a fun time photographing down here for an hour or so. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I will of course be going home for my traditional coffee at this point. I'll be squelching back through the floods, and there may be some flood B-roll on my way back. But if there isn't, this is the end of the video, and laters.